Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2015 Cadillac SRX luxury vehicle. To begin this project, you will need a 13mm socket with a long extension, as well as a 10mm wrench or socket to take off the battery cables as well. We pulled up to a customer house. The customer has been stranded over the weekend. We pulled up to check out the customer vehicle. So what we're doing first, we're actually testing the battery, making sure that it is the battery. So we're using a 10mm wrench to take off the negative terminal. And if this is your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation, and we're adding added value today, we just ask for one thing: just give us a like with a thumbs up. It pushes the algorithm to share this video with others who have the same exact vehicle, to give them an easy process exactly how to install this battery. Step 2 is we're taking off the positive battery cable with that 10mm wrench we're using. And with this positive power cord, you're going to need that 10mm to take off around the battery post itself first, which is the battery cable. You're also you're going to need a 13mm socket to take off a bolt that is on top of the fuse box. See, what I'm doing now, I'm basically trying to wiggle the fuse box. See, there's a clamp that is holding down this fuse box on this battery. Normally you can wiggle it and pop it loose, kind of like this, budge up, just pull up on the sides of that clamp. It should pop right off the battery itself. If it don't, just get a flathead screwdriver and just run the side or the bottom of that clamp just to lift up on it easily. It's a 13mm socket or wrench, and just take off that extra power cable that is bolted down to the power grid on this battery itself. Just turn it clockwise till you feel that bolt loosen up, and just take that screw off, set it to the side, and you'll be able to remove that power cord. Okay, so this gives you a little extra room to get that power grid off the battery itself. You want to use that 13mm and take off the other long power cord as well that is on this battery itself too. So this would definitely give you the room to take this battery directly out of the vehicle itself. You want to subscribe to the channel as well, because we're doing all makes and model of vehicles on a daily basis of uploads. Not only just vehicles as well, we do all type of cool things like golf carts, we're doing boats, we do bulldozers, we do solar grids. We do a lot of things here at Battery Guyz Nation. Likewise, we also show you too the recycling side of the business, how we recycle at least over 90,000 pounds of recycled waste on a monthly basis. And through those batteries, we're able to recondition the world's best reconditioned battery, and we sell back to customers online. You can visit our website at batteryguyz.com and get the same battery delivered to your house at the cost. There is a battery bracket that is in the front of this battery that you need to remove as well to be able to freely lift this battery out of the vehicle itself. Turn that long extension with that 13mm on the bottom, just turn it clockwise until you feel that bolt loosen up. Okay, just take the battery directly out of the vehicle itself. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2015 Cadillac SRX luxury vehicle. Okay, once you get the battery back into that vehicle, you want to go and put your battery bracket down. Just push the battery all the way up towards the dash of the vehicle to as close as you can, so you can see that little hole, and take that battery bracket, flush it back down, take your bolt, stick it down in the middle of the hole. Get it started with your fingers first, as you can see I'm doing here in this video. Once you get it started with the groove, then you can take your 13mm socket with your long extension and bolt this battery down. But you want to go ahead and just make sure you have to get it started with your hand first. Your next step is you want to go ahead and put that positive battery cable back onto the positive battery post itself, and then you want to move that long power cord over to the far left. And then that first nugget, you want to go ahead and get that in with the short power cord. So you will use the 10mm wrench and go and tighten up that bolt on the positive terminal until you feel that bolt tighten up. Okay, your next step is you want to take that 13mm bolt and put it back onto that power grid, and take your 13mm socket and tighten up that bolt. Go ahead and connect your negative terminal back to that negative post, which is also known as the ground. Take your 10mm wrench and tighten up that bolt on your negative terminal. Okay, go ahead and put the cover back on top of the battery itself. And this completes exactly show you how to install the battery in a 2015 Cadillac SRX luxury vehicle. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching BatteryGuyz with Z.com.